Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of QGIS World YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install the QGIS application on your Windows operating system. To do so, first from your browser, search for QGIS, download from the first page. Here just click on the skip button. In this page, you can see two types of installation methods. The first one is online or OSGeo4W installer, and the other one is offline or standalone installers. But what are the differences between these two types of installation methods? Let me explain you in a nutshell. OSGeo4W installer comes with some advantage over the standalone installation method. For example, it acts like package manager for you. With the standalone installation, you have to download and reinstall the full package for every single update. However, using the OSGeo4W, it only downloads the specific files that have changed, which makes your updates fast and efficient. Additionally, OSGeo4W enables you to run multiple versions side by side on your computer. For example, you can have both LTR version and the latest release version simultaneously. I will explain the difference between the LTR version and the latest release in a minute. And finally, OSGeo4W gives you direct access to a collection of open source tools like the QGIS and GDAL. And also, it provides you with a pre-configured command line environment, which is ready for scripting right out of the box. So, if you want a total control over your GIS environment, OSGeo4W is the way to go. Here you can see some differences between the LTR and latest release versions of QGIS. Line-term release or LTR is more stable and more reliable than the latest release. But if you are curious about the new features of QGIS, of course you can install the latest release. But if you are working on production or enterprise, or if you don't want to affect by any breaking chains or any potential bugs, so it would be better to go for the long-term release of QGIS, which we will do in this video. As I mentioned earlier, in this video I'm going to install the QGIS using the OSGeo4W installer. To do so, I will click on this button and specify the directory in which I want to save my installer. And after finishing the downloading, open the directory and double click on installer. As you can see here, we have two methods and two types for installation: the Express install and the Advanced install. Advanced install will provide you with more control over the versions of package that OSGeo4W will install in your computer. In this video I am going to choose the Express install, which is more simple, and it will automatically select the most common package for you. After selecting the Express install, click on Next. Here choose the first and the third one. Select on Next. Here there are 4 checkboxes. As I mentioned earlier, we want the QGIS LTR version, so select LTR and also the GDAL and the QGIS. Select Next. and next. And there are some license agreements. You can read all of them and click on next, agree and next. Then there are too many agreements, and here we are waiting for finishing the download. So after finishing the downloading, just click on finish, and in the search section of your Windows, just search for QGIS. And you can see that the QGIS has successfully installed on my computer. In order to verify the version, from the Help tab, click on About, and you can see the version and also the other packages that are installed alongside with my QGIS. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to learn more about the QGIS and geospatial data, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.